asked me about syphilis. Syphilis is a chronic and complex bacterial infection which is caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum. This bacteria is mainly spread through sexual contacts via the vagina and also the oral and anal route. It can also be transmitted during the blood transfusion process, though this is a rare case. Syphilis is a complex chronic infection because it has 4 major stages, with each stage having different signs and symptoms. The major feature of primary syphilis is the painless sore, which occurs at the site of the infection 10 to 90 days following inoculation of the bacterium. Then secondary syphilis has fever, rash, headache and fatigue as the main features. And another stage is the early latent stage, which is clinically inactive, but during this stage there is a possibility of relapse of secondary syphilis. We also have late latent stage, which is also clinically inactive, just like the early latent, but during this stage there is a possibility of maternal fetal transmission. The last stage is the tertiary syphilis, which is also called late syphilis. This one has serious complications like heart problems, paralysis and blindness. It can also cause dementia, seizures, etc. Diagnosis of syphilis. We have 2 major forms of tests used to diagnose syphilis. The first category is the non-treponema antibody tests, and here we have tests like the VDRL and RPR tests. These are the screening tests for syphilis. These are always positive 4 to 6 weeks after the infection and remain positive 6 to 12 months after the treatment of syphilis. And there is also possibility of false positive results under these screening tests. The second category, we have treponema antibody tests, which include the TPHA or the Treponema pallidum hemagglutination assay. This is a very sensitive test and it is a confirmatory test for syphilis. This confirms the above screening tests, the VDRL and the RPR. This TPHA also remains positive for a long time, and so its positivity may not always indicate active infection.